Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're ready to permanently remove your Hubspot account and want to avoid hidden steps or missed clicks, you're in the right place. In this full 2025 guide, I'll walk you through the exact process to delete your Hubspot account safely and completely so you won't have to second guess a thing. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the official Hubspot website. On the homepage, look to the top right corner and click Login. Enter your login details to access your HubSpot dashboard. Make sure you're signing into the correct account you want to delete. Once you're on the dashboard, move back to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Account and Billing. This is where all of your subscription and account management settings live. Inside the Account and Billing page, scroll down until you find the Delete Account option. It may take a moment to spot, so move slowly and double-check before you click. As soon as you click Delete Account, HubSpot will warn you that this action is permanent and cannot be undone. Read that message carefully. It's your last chance to back out if you change your mind. If you're absolutely sure, go ahead and click the final Delete Account button to confirm. Your HubSpot account will then be permanently removed, along with all the data associated with it. Pro tips: before you delete backup, important data, export your contacts, deals, or reports if you think you might need them later. Cancel paid subscriptions. Make sure any active plans are canceled to avoid unwanted charges. And that's it. Your HubSpot account is now completely deleted. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick, foolproof tutorials. Got questions or need help with another HubSpot feature? Drop a comment below and I'll cover it in a future video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.